Suzuki takes the win. 12-13 on 11:35 down now. Castle 15-15 on a 50-10 diamond at 87 miles an hour. Ed Suzuki 11:56 on 11:35 diamond. Into left lane and Ed Suzuki in the right lane. Ed Suzuki in Suzuki 11:55 112, Ogami 12:05. Next year, Ed Suzuki in the power lane and 45 dining Joshua and Spencer with a 13-0 dining Joshua. Joshua and Spencer will get the head start. Ed Suzuki will play leader from the rear. 11:45 to a 13-0. Suzuki wants to take a peek over, but you ran a 12:89 at 85. Pattern semi-finals. 11:50 dialing for Billy. 11:45 dialing for Suzuki. Head start will go to Billy Ogami. Suzuki will play catch up. A Christmas tree will come on almost identical. Billy Ogami in the car naked. In action photo center CW. 11:45. Big red tamale, still ran 11:54 and 11:45.
Thank you so much for watching another video of the TK808 Productions YouTube channel. If you guys want to follow us, please subscribe to the channel, TK808 Productions. If you want to leave a comment or a like, just hit down below. If you want to follow us, our website is located on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Please have a wonderful day, and aloha!